Want to create this? Let's create it in Filmora Mobile. Begin by uploading your first picture and music. Squeeze size and place at top left corner. Similarly, add 3 more photos. Make sure all 3 photos are in 9:16 ratio. Leave some space between pictures like this. Now add some text elaborating your theme or from lyrics. Font style is cozy with typing animation. This is how it should look like. Place between the photos like this. Add beats to your audio. I kept its speed at center. Add more pictures, sync with the beats. Make sure these pictures are also of 9:16 ratio. Now from the second part of video, apply video effects. Search for film effect. And apply this effect to the entire video. This is how it would look. Now click on this arrow and hit Transitions tab between the pictures. Search for camera. And apply this transition. Apply to all. Apply this second effect to the second half of the video. Apply to the entire video. That's it, export. If you find this video useful, please subscribe and like this video.